Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy. My name is Saurabh Ranjan and I teach live on Unacademy Plus platform. Guys, today I am here with a new series that is a daily practice on DILR, in which we will be discussing a lot of set with different difficulty levels. Okay, and that are relevant for the CAT. Okay, so this is the first session of this series in which we will be discussing a Venn diagram. ठीक है, एक Venn diagram आज के सेशन में देखेंगे. And as you all know that Venn diagram is one of the most important, ठीक है, most important topic of the CAT, right? in जिसमें अलग अलग difficulty levels के and all अलग अलग varieties के बहुत सारे questions CAT में already पूछे जा चुके हैं. So that is very important topic for the CAT, right? So Venn diagram includes three. If you talk about the DILR, then that include I think 3 set Venn diagram and 4 set Venn diagram. If you see the past year trend, ठीक है, four set Venn diagrams है ना, that are relatively easier than the 3 set Venn diagram, because 3 set Venn diagram में बहुत ज़्यादा varieties बनते हैं, ठीक है, and उन्हीं varieties में से आज एक varieties देखने वाले हैं. I think that is I think the today's set is थोड़ा सा unconventional set on Venn diagram. So we'll look at this. ठीक है. So first of all, guys, I'll say कि just try the set. I'll show you the set. Just pause the video and then try to solve this. Okay, and then go to the solution. Okay, without solving the question, there is no कुछ नहीं है, मतलब बिना ट्राई किए सॉल्यूशन देखोगे तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. So just try the set first of all and then go to the solution. Okay, now let's begin with the session, guys. Okay, so guys, those who are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and also like and subscribe कर दो and share with all your friends, with all your study buddies, and share to everyone to whom you think that will be beneficial for them. Okay, so also if you are new to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification for the videos on time. Okay, so guys, this is weekly scholarship test, that is an academy competition which is conducted on every Sunday at 12 p.m. Okay, so this is a weekly scholarship test conducted on every Sunday 12 p.m. Okay, and this is the table for the discount that you are going to get on the basis of your ranking in this scholarship test. Okay, so like if you are getting rank 1 to 3, you will get a full 1 year subscription free of cost. Then 4 to 10 rankers will get 75% scholarship. 11 to 50 will get 50% scholarship, and so on. So everyone try to participate in this scholarship test, try to get a good rank, and then try to get the subscription so that you can practice a lot of different varieties of questions which are the targeted questions, as and also you can take a lot of mocks, right, which is the most important thing for your preparation. Okay, now guys, these are new batch starting, so both the batches are starting from 15th of September. So, and the first batch is for the CAT 2022, and if you are preparing for CAT 2022, you can go enroll for this batch, and if you are preparing for 2021 and OMETs, you can enroll for the second batch. Okay, so go through all the batches, their timing, what topic they are going to discuss, and according to your preference on the timing, topics, and as well as on the educators, you can enroll for the different courses. Right now, this is MBA 2021 mock test marathon. So these are the mocks that you are going to get, like full length mock for the CAT per 2 full length mock for the CAT per week, 3 sectional test per week, and 2 full length mock for the OMETs per month. And also you are going to get the detailed video analysis for all the mocks, right? And which is the most important thing, guys. Mocks are the most important thing in your preparation. Okay, so take the mocks as much as possible. Okay, and for that you can go with the 6 month of iconic subscription. Okay, you can go with 6 month of iconic subscription. Right now, this is the set, guys. This is the set that you have to solve. Okay, so read the set very carefully. First of all, pause the video, read the set carefully, and just try to give some decent amount of time to solve this set. Okay, this is थोड़ा सा unconventional. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आप हो सकता है कि पहले इस तरह के सेट्स नहीं देखे होंगे. Maybe I'm not saying, but yes, हो सकता है कि आपने इस तरह के सेट्स पहले नहीं देखे होंगे, and maybe you will find difficulty in drawing the Venn diagram कि कैसे draw करेंगे. But still I'll say कि थोड़ा सा खुद से time दो, try to solve this, and then go to the solution. Okay. So guys, I think you guys have tried this. Okay, and now let's look at the solution. So read the set. Okay, So the set says in a class of 145 students, 70 like Python, 80 likes Java, and 90 like Ruby. Okay, and also 20 like Java only, 30 like both Java and Ruby, and not Python. Okay, and if you have solved the Venn diagram sets earlier, ठीक है, I think इतना पढ़ के आपको समझ में आ गया होगा that this is going to be a Venn diagram का set. This is going to be very important. You have to judge कि कौन सा टॉपिक से है क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, okay. So guys, in the class of 145 students, 70 like Python. So there are 70 students who like Python. That does not mean कि they like only Python. मतलब ये सारे के सारे 70 students like only Python. That does not mean that. Okay, that means अगर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि 70 like Python, there are possibility that they can also like Java, they can also like Ruby. Okay, so until and unless only Java, only Python या only Ruby ने लिखा हुआ होगा, you will not consider कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ Java या Python या Ruby को like करता है, ठीक है. चलो, now the further statement says 20 like Java, 30 like both Java and Ruby but not Python. This is important again, guys. So 30 like both Java and Ruby but not Python. So whatever we have read till now, let's represent this into a Venn diagram. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram. Okay, now so the total sample space is of 145 students. Okay, in which 70 like Python. So let's say this circle is for Python. So let's say this is P for Python and the 70 students like Python. So this is 70. Okay, overall 70. Now 80 like Java. So this is Java. Let's say this is Java and Java is liked by 80 students overall. 80 students. Okay. So and the third is Ruby. Okay. So Ruby is liked by, Ruby is a language. All the three are high level language, computer language. Right. So Ruby is also a language. So Ruby is liked by 90 students. Okay. So this is going to be 90. Okay, now further it says 20 like only Java. So only Java, so this is only Java, so this has to be 20, right? So 20 यहाँ पे लिख दिया. Now 30 like both Java and Ruby but not Python. Not Python. It is saying not Python. Okay, so what I'll do. So this is the first session on the Venn diagram. So I'll explain this कि क्या क्या होता है. ठीक है, चलो एक बार मैं जल्दी से explain कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, so it says कि only Python, only Java. So what are these three areas? Okay, so let's suppose okay, just a second, guys. So I'll explain this. Okay, so this portion where there is no overlap, right? So this portion is only Python. Okay, this again I say this portion is only Java because there is no overlap, right? This is only Java. Only J, and this again there is no overlap, but this says this will be what? This will be only Ruby, right? Now what are these overlaps? Let's talk about the overlaps as well. Okay, so now this first overlap, let's suppose this wala part, ye wala part. What is this? This is what, guys? This is if you see carefully, okay, this area does not include this circle, ठीक है, Ruby वाला circle, ठीक है. If this not include a Ruby वाला circle, that means what? This is Python and Java but not Ruby. Okay, this is Python and Java but not Ruby. Similarly, if you see this portion, so this portion is what? This portion is Java and Ruby and not Python. ठीक है. Similarly, if you see this portion is not the overlap. Okay, or that does not include the circle of Java. That means what? This is Python and Ruby, not Java. I think that is clear to everyone, right? Now also look at this, guys. This the overlap of all the three circles. Look at this, the overlap of all the three circles. That is what? This is all three. That is all three means what? The Python, Java and Ruby, तीनों के तीनों इसके अंदर. अगर if there is any student who like Python, Java and Ruby, all three, then he will be placed in this area. Okay, now चलो, I think that is also clear to everyone. चलो, तो मैं इसको erase करता हूँ and then let's look at the solution. Let's look at the solution of this side. Okay, so guys, just a second. So इस सबको erase कर दो, इनका भी काम नहीं है, आप समझ चुके हो, ठीक है. So I'll erase everything. Okay, now so now read the set now. Okay, just yeah. Now, so 20 like only Java, so this is 20 only Java, right? 30 like both Java and Ruby, not Python, so this is not Python. So can I say the Python का circle यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है, so this will be 30 like Java and Ruby but not Python, so this will be 30 here. Okay, I'll put 30 here. Okay, and 15 like Python and Ruby but not Java, so this is Python and Ruby but not Java, so this portion will be 50. Okay. Now it is also known that each of the 145 students like at least one of the three sections. मतलब क्या? There is no one outside of the circle, right? No one outside of the circle. Okay, no one is outside of the Venn diagram, I'll say. Okay. Now guys, if you see, okay, now we are given very less data to fill this. Okay, so how we will fill this? Okay, let's suppose कि मैंने अगर इसको x दे दिया. Let's suppose कि this is just okay. Sorry. So let's suppose कि I'll put this as, let's say this is x, okay, and this is y. Okay, I'm just putting x and y, and then now look at this. What is happening? So can I say कि the whole circle, the summation of all the circle of Java will be equals to 80. So can I write x plus y plus 30 plus 20, and that is equals to 80. Okay. Now look at the circle of the Python. Okay, let's say this is z. Okay, so this is z. So this is, can I say this is x plus y plus z plus 15. So this is x plus y plus z plus 15, and that has to be equals to 70. So this will be 70. That will be equals to 70. Okay. Now can I say from the first equation, let's say this is first equation and this is the second equation. Can I say x plus y using first statement? Can I say x plus y is equals to 80 minus 30 plus 20, that is equals to 50. So this is 80 minus 50, and that is equals to how much? That is equals to 30. So x plus y is equals to 30. Now put this x plus y into the second equation. Okay, so I'll put x plus y plus z is equals to 15 and is equals to 70. Putting x plus y is equals to 30. Here that is equals to 30. So z will be equals to how much? So this is 55 minus 30, and that is equals to 25. So we got the value for z. So can I say that this only Python is going to be 25, guys? Okay, so this is going to be 25. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll erase this thing, okay, so that I can have some space. Okay, so I am erasing this. Also what I'll do now, I'll just replace y. Okay, so I'll erase this and just then I'll show you again what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is going to be, थोड़ा देखो easy है, set is easy, ठीक है, बट थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल है, समझना पड़ेगा आपको, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, समझना पड़ेगा, ध्यान से सब पढ़ के आपको समझना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस इज, कैन आई से कि अगर ये टोटल 80 है, okay, so this is 80. If this is 80, so I'll replace the y with something else. ठीक है, so this sum of this circle, Java circle, is 80. Okay, so can I say this is x plus 50 plus 20. So then I say this is this part will be 80 minus 50 minus x, and that will be equals to how much? So this will be 80 minus 50 and minus x, and that has to be equals to what? That will be 30 minus x. ये हो जाएगा. So this part will be 30 minus x. 30 minus x. Okay. And if you do the calculation, you will get everything. Okay. If you do the calculation. Okay. Now let's do the calculation. Now we have two equations again. Right. The first equation is what? This is 30. So this will be cancelled out. Look at this now. Look at this. This is 25 plus 15. Okay. So this will be how much? So 25 or 50. That's 25 plus 5, 30, 40. 40 and 30. So this is 30 minus x, right? So how will solve this, guys? So this is 15 or 5, 20, 20, 40, right? So 40 plus x, okay. So this will be 30 minus x plus x, right? So we have only, so can we find the value of x, guys? Okay, if you see this will be cancelled out. Okay, this will be cancelled. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's say this is z. Okay, so let's say this is z, and if there is z, so can I say the sum of all the variables, in this Venn diagram will be equals to 145. Can I say that? Please tell me. Can I say that has to be equals to 140? that will be equals to how much? So that will be 145, right? So can I write the equation, guys? Right? Can I write the equation? Tell me. Okay. Okay. So, but one more thing we can do with this. Look at this. If I put z instead of z, can I put this as 90 minus 30 minus 15 minus x? So 90 minus 30, that is 60. 60 minus 15, that is equals to 45, or 45 minus x. So this will be 45 minus x. Right? This will be 45 minus x. Tell me, guys. So summation of this all. Now, if you add them all. Now try to add them. Okay. So can I say, guys, if you add them all, सबको add कर दो एक बार. So this is 25 plus 15. ये कितना हो जाएगा? So this is 40. 40 और 2. 40 और 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 40 और 2. 40 और 2 8 42 60 60 30 90 और देखो minus x plus x cancel 90 120. So can I say this is 120 plus 45 minus x, and that has to be equals to 145. 145, right? So this will be equals to how much? So this will be 100 sorry guys. Yeah, so this is 165 minus x is equals to 145. So x will be equals to 20. Can I say that x is equals to 20? Please tell me. Okay, so now x is equals to 20. Sorry. So x is equals to 20. So I'll put x is equals to 20 here. Okay. Now once you got this, you will put x is equals to 20 and x यहाँ पे put कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो देखो ये कितना हो जाएगा. So this will be x equals to 20, and this is 30 minus 20, that is equals to 10, and this is 45 minus x. So that is 45 minus 20, that is equals to 25. So I'll put 25 here. Okay. So this will be this circle will be of 25. So this will be 25. Okay. Now we are done with the first part of this question, right? अगर आप ध्यान से देख रहे हो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि अभी तक हम लोगों ने सिर्फ और सिर्फ फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ को सॉल्व करा है. ठीक है, अभी तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ को सॉल्व करा है. ठीक है. Now look at this and then understand this. So we have a total of 145 students. 70 like Python, 80 like Java, 90 like Ruby, 20 like Java only, 30 like both Java and Ruby but not Python, 15 like Python and Ruby but not Java. And it is also known that that each of the 145 students like at least one of the three subjects. Okay, languages I'll say. Okay, so we are done with the first paragraph, but I can say the set is not yet done. Okay, now look at the second part of this set. Now in the another class, in the another batch, all the students like Shell. Shell is also a language, right? Shell only. Okay, so in another batch, all the students like Shell only. This class is merged with the previous class to make a new class, and as a result, the new combined strength of the new class has become 180. Mind it, guys, कि अपना जो पुराना वाला वेन डायग्राम है उसके अंदर टोटल स्ट्रेंथ है 145 का. जब एक नए बैच को आप इसके साथ मर्ज कर रहे हो तो दिस बिकम्स 180. दैट मींस व्हाट कि नए वाले बैच में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? नए वाले बैच में 180 minus 45, that is equals to 35 students. 35 students. Okay, 35 students. Now that means what, guys? Now we have 4. If you'll see now, once you have started reading the second paragraph, you'll get to know that there is Python, Java and Ruby as well as Shell. So many of you can think कि सर ये 4-set Venn diagram भी तो हो सकता है. ठीक, why we cannot solve using the 4-set Venn diagram? You can solve, but there is some easy method, right? This is more feasible method than the 4-set Venn diagram if you see it carefully. Okay, now look at this. Read it further. Okay, this class is merged with the previous class to make a new class, and as a result, the new combined strength of the new class is 180. So this become 180. So the students, the batch who like only Shell, is the strength of that batch is 35. Okay, now it is also fine that in the new class, some of the students from the previous class who like Java and Ruby but not Python. This is very important, guys. This is very important line. Okay, I'll explain it. Okay, I'll explain this again. Look at this. So it says some of the students who like from the previous class who like Java and Ruby but not Python started liking the Shell. That means what? Can I say कि यहाँ Java वाले और Ruby वाले कुछ स्टूडेंट को पसंद आ गया क्या? Shell पसंद आ गया. लेकिन Python वाले जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है, including those who like Java or Ruby or Java, Ruby and Python all, ठीक है, they will not be included, ठीक है. So anyone who like Python, ठीक है, only Python or Python with some other languages, they are not going to be the part of the students who started liking the cell. That means what can I say? There I can now draw a Venn diagram like this. I can draw a Venn diagram like this. Tell me guys, कुछ ऐसा बनेगा क्या? एक यहाँ पे एक और सर्कल लगा देंगे and this will be a shell. This will be a shell. ठीक है, and the total student who like only cell is how much? Only cell is how much? Tell me guys. Only cell is 35, right? So this is only 5. So these students are not going to like any other language out of Java, Ruby and Python, right? The students who like Java and Ruby, they are going to like cell. ठीक है, इससे कंफ्यूज मत होना. सेल जो पहले से सेल को सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेल को पसंद करते थे, they are not going to like Java and Ruby. But Java and Ruby जो पहले से कम पसंद कर सकते थे, someone out of these, ठीक है, some students out of the Java and Ruby, they started liking cell. Okay, now so this has to be only cell has to be 35. Okay, now read it further again. Very this set is very very interesting guys. अगर आप solve कर रहे हो, अगर आपने खुद solve किया होगा या solution देख रहे हो आप, तो आपको मजा आ रहा होगा शायद. ठीक है, and I'll say guys, if you're liking the session, do share with your friends and do share the session with everyone, to your friends, to your study buddies, to everyone. Okay, चलो आगे देखते हैं. So this has to be cell. Okay, now read it further. It is also found that in the new class, some of the students in the previous class started liking previous class who like Java and Ruby but not Python started liking the cell. As a result, the ratio of number of students who like Java, Ruby and cell to the, okay, one more thing guys, यहाँ से मैंने 30 रेज किया था, right? So यहाँ पे था 30. So this is 30. यहाँ पे 30 रेज करा था मैंने अभी सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए. Okay. Now as a result, the ratio of number of students who like Java, Ruby and cell. ठीक है, Java, Ruby and cell. So Java, Ruby and cell. So can I say this वाला portion? So let's say this is X. Okay, so this is X. ठीक है. So the number of students who like Java, Ruby and cell to the number of students who like Ruby and cell. Okay, so Ruby and cell. Okay, and to the number of students who like Java and cell become 1:3:4. Mind it guys. Again I'll say, यहाँ पे देखो लिखा हुआ क्या है. Student who like Ruby and cell but not Java, not Python, नहीं लिखा हुआ. So you have to consider that. Okay, now this become 1:3:4. So let's say कि यहाँ पे देखो ये X है. Let's say इसको A दे दो और इसको B दे दो. Let's say A B. ठीक है. So what is the ratio given to us? The ratio of the number of students who like Java, Ruby and cell. So can I say this is Java, Ruby and cell? So this will be X, Java, Ruby and cell. ठीक है. X is what? X is Java, Ruby and cell. Okay, so this is X is 2. ठीक है. Now what is to the number of students who like Java, Ruby and cell to the number of students who like Ruby and cell. So this is Ruby. Where is Ruby? So this is Ruby and cell. This is A. Right, Ruby and cell A, but not Ruby and cell, but not Java नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So we'll consider A plus X, right? So is to A plus X, right? Is to what is given to us, and that is the student who like Java and cell. So this is Java and cell, not Ruby नहीं लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, not Ruby नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So I'll take X plus B. So this will be B plus X. Okay, so this is B plus X guys. Okay, and then now this is given to us 1:3:4. Now once you are very sincere, ठीक है, now you will get everything about this X, right? आपको पता चल जाएगा. देखो one part तो X है, ठीक है, और देखो one part X है, ये A plus X मिलके 3 part बना रहा है, मतलब X तो already है. So can I say X will be 2X, A will be 2X. A will be 2x. देखो क्योंकि x हो गया. अभी अगर a को 2x लोगे, 2x plus x, देखो 3x बन गया. ठीक है, देखो 1:3 तो मैंने बना दिया अभी. 1:3 मैंने बना दिया. ठीक है ना. b plus x is equals to 4. ठीक है, तो इसको अगर 4x बनाते हो, x तो 1 part है, तो कहने से b will be 3x. ठीक है, so 3x, b will be 3x. Please tell me, b will be 3x. So this will be 3x. ये हो जाएगा आपका 4x. So can I say a is 2x and b is equals to 3x? I'll put 3x here. Okay, and once you got this, now you can put put this into the Venn diagram. Okay, so A की जगह मैं डाल दूँगा और B की जगह भी डाल देता हूँ. Okay, now look at this. So A is how much? A is 2x. So this will be 2x here, and then B will be 3x. Okay, B will be 3x. So this will be 3x here. Sorry. Okay, now I think this is also clear to everyone. Okay. Also, guys, if you have any problem, do let me know in the comment box. Okay, everyone, and if you are liking the session, please write in the comment box. Okay. Now, guys, I'll erase this. I'll make some space to solve it further. Okay. Now I'll erase this, guys. Now I think all the information that is given to us in the set, we have used that. Okay, we have extracted all the data from the passage from the given set, or you can say all we have covered all the data that is given to the set. Okay, so we cannot till now I can say कि we don't have anything to solve x, right? That means what? क्या करोगे? The only thing that you have to go to the questions. Okay, now look at the questions, guys. The first question: in the class, what could be the maximum? Why, guys? Again, very important question. Okay, now it includes this optimization, right? Maximize. किसी को minimize करना पड़ेगा, minimum बनाना पड़ेगा, तब then only you are going to get the maximum part, and so on. Right? So this is the something the question is related to the optimization of Venn diagram. Okay, now look at this question. Now in the new class, what is the maximum number of students who like shell? What is the number of maximum? What is the maximum number of students who like cell? Okay, look at this, guys. Cell का circle तो यही है ना, this red वाला circle is cell. That means what can I say? कि it is the question is asking me to find the maximum value of 35 plus 2x plus x plus 3x. ठीक है, इसी का तो maximum निकालने को बोल रहा है मेरे को. इसी का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालने के लिए पूछ रहा है. ठीक है, एंड दैट मींस व्हाट गाइस कि अगर मेरे को इसका निकालना है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, सो कहने से कि मेरे को x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालने का है. ठीक है, एंड वंस यू गॉट द x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू यू गेट एवरीथिंग. ओके, एंड नाउ फॉर दैट यू कैन लुक एट दिस. नाउ गाइस, तो ये पूरा वाला पोर्शन ना देखो, ये पूरा पोर्शन पहले 30 था. ठीक है, उसमें से ये x हो गया, सो आई राइट इट 30 - x को मैंने पहले लिख देना चाहिए था. So this will be 30 - x, right? देखो ये पूरा only Java was 20, लेकिन उसमें से कुछ portion 3x हो गया. So can I say this will become 20 - 3x? This will become 20 - 3x, and this will be 25 minus something. Okay, so I'll write it here. So this will become 20 - x, and this will become 25 - x. So this was 25, right? Yeah, 25 minus. This is actually 3x. I'm so sorry. So this is 3x. This is 3x, and this is 2x. Okay. Now tell me guys, now this all the numbers that is given, that is represented in the Venn diagrams, all has to be integer, right? Why? Because student cannot be the number of student cannot be decimal, they cannot be in the fraction form, right? They have to be integer. Okay, so look at this. This is 20 minus 3x, this is 25 minus 2x, and this is 30 minus x. Look at write it one by one. Okay, so this is what? This is 30 minus x. 30 minus x, 30 minus x. That means what? 30 has to be integer. Sorry, this number has to be integer, and that means what? Can I say x should be less than equals to? मतलब कम से कम 30 तो होना ही चाहिए. x का वैल्यू बोल सकते हो? x का वैल्यू tell me guys. x का minimum value has to be 60. Sorry, 30. Minimum value. Sorry, maximum value. Can I say maximum value? X का maximum value x 30 तक जा सकता है? Please tell me. अरे ये हो क्या है? Tell me. Okay, so write something in the chat box if you are getting my point. So x has to be less than equals to 30. Okay, now look at the second statement, that is the 20 minus 3x. So this is 20 minus 3x, 20 minus 3x, and we have the third equation is 25 minus 2x. Use this the third equation. So if I say, so can I say is if this is 20 minus 3x, okay, so that has to be greater than equals to 0. ठीक है, because I am saying कि ये integer होना चाहिए, positive भी होना चाहिए, right? So this is greater than equals to 0. So can I say 12x has to be less than equals to 25, ठीक है, and that is equals to x should be less than 12.5. 12.5 is not a number, so मैं इसके nearest number ले लेता हूँ. x has to be equals to greater than equals to 12. तो 12 से तो कम से कम 12 से छोटा होना चाहिए. नंबर, ठीक है। तो अब देखो, अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आप x का वैल्यू 30 से छोटा होना चाहिए, और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे सेकंड वाला बोल रहा है कि नहीं 12 से छोटा होना चाहिए, तो इनमें से कौन सा दोनों को सेटिस्फाई करेगा? डेफिनेटली ये वाला आपको सेटिस्फाई नहीं करने वाला है। अगर x का वैल्यू मैं 12 से छोटा लूंगा तो ये 12 या 12 से छोटा लोगे तो ये भी सेटिस्फाई करेगा और ये भी सेटिस्फाई करेगा, दोनों ही सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, दोनों ही सेटिस्फाई करेंगे। लेकिन अगर आप 30 लोग ले लोगे, x का वैल्यू आप 30 ले लोगे तो ये 12 सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 30 ले लोगे और यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ कि x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 12 लोगे, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? दोनों कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी हैं, ठीक है। कोई एक छोटा वाला वैल्यू आपको कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा। सिमिलरली इफ यू सी द थर्ड इक्वेशन, दिस इज 20 minus 3x, oh this is 20 minus 3x, so 20 minus 3x, 20 minus 3x, and that has to be greater than equals to 0. So can I say x has to be less than equals to greatest integer, greatest integer or nearest integer error, so that has to be 6. Now look at this case, which equation out of these three will satisfy all the three equations? Right, I can say x का वैल्यू 6, मतलब x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 6 अगर होगा तो तीनों के तीनों ही सेटिस्फाई करने वाले हैं, राइट। इसका क्या मतलब है कि x का वैल्यू 30 या 30 से छोटा होना चाहिए, ठीक है। ये बोल रहा है कि नहीं x का वैल्यू 12 या 12 से छोटा होना चाहिए, ठीक है। और ये बोल रहा है कि x का वैल्यू 6 या 6 से छोटा होना चाहिए। तो मैं 6 से कोई सा भी वैल्यू छोटा लूंगा ना, तो 6 से कोई सा भी वैल्यू छोटा लोगे तो ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा, ये भी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा और ये भी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा। सो कैन आई से कि x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आई हैव टू टेक 6, ठीक है। x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हैज टू बी 6। नाउ x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आ गया, you will get the answer. Okay, so the maximum value of this will be equals to how much? So that has to be equals to, I'll write it here. Okay, so that has to be equals to 35 plus x is what? X is 6, right? X is equals to 6. So 35 plus 2x, so that is equals to 12 plus x is equals to 6 plus, and that has to be 13, 3 into 6, that has to be 18. तो ये कितना हो गया देखना, 18, 24, 36, 35 plus 36, and that is equals to 71. So 71. So the maximum number of students who like only cell, and that is equals to 71. 71 is the correct answer. I think this set is very much clear to everyone, guys. Okay, and also I'll say if you are liking liking the session, do like the session, guys. अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है, do like the session. Please like the session. Okay. Now look at the second question, guys. In the new class, what is the maximum number of students who like exactly 2 languages? Now, what is the maximum number of students who like exactly 2 languages? So look at this. What is exactly 2 languages? Tell me, guys. Okay. So write in the chat box. Come on. So exactly 2 languages. ठीक है. New class के अंदर exactly 2 languages. So this is exactly 2 language, right? 3x is exactly 2 language. This is 2x is exactly 2 language. Please tell me. So this is 3x, 2x. This is exactly 2 language. Also, this 10 is also the exactly 2. That is the Python and Java. ठीक है. Also, this 15 is also the exactly 2. This is Python. Python and this is Ruby, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you see carefully, now 30 minus x is also exactly 2 languages, right? That is the Java and Ruby. So we have to find the maximum value of this. So that has to be equals to what? So that has to be 15 plus 10 plus 30 minus x, then plus 2x plus 3x, that is plus 5x. So we have to find the maximum value of this. So this will be 45, 55 minus 55 plus 4x. 55 plus 4x, and that is equals to 55 plus 24. 55 plus 24. 6 into 4. Maximum value चाहिए ना, तो x का maximum भी आपको चाहिए होगा. तो x का value 6 डालो तो ये 24 हो जाएगा. तो ये हो जाएगा कितना? 50 20 70 और 5 75, ये हो जाएगा 79. ठीक है. So this is 79. 79 is the correct answer for the second question. So this is 79. Okay. Now look at the third question, guys. Now third question, I think again if you have not solved this, guys, I'll say कि एक बार सेट पूरा समझने के बाद I'll say कि एक बार आप लोग खुद से ट्राई कर लो, ठीक है, बाकी के 2 क्वेश्चंस के लिए pause the video, try to solve this and then again go to the solution. Okay, chalo, I think now you guys have tried the question. Okay, now look at this. In the new class, if the number of students who like Python and Java only, ठीक है, in the new class, the number of students who like Python and Java only is equal to the number of students who like Ruby and Shell only. Ruby and Shell only and Python and Java. So what is the number of students who like Python and Java? So this is Python and Java, only Python and Java, and that is equals to 10. So can I say this 10 students? Okay, so this 10 is equals to, I'll write it here only. Okay, so the 10 is equals to the number of students who like Ruby and Shell only. Okay, Ruby and Shell. So this is, where is Ruby? So this is Ruby and Shell. That is equals to 2x, guys. This is 2x. So 10 is equals to 2x. So can I say x is equals to 5? So x is equals to 5. Now what is asked in the question? Then how many students like exactly 3 languages? Right? Exactly 3 वाला देखो कौन से? Exactly 3. Can I say this is x is exactly 3? X is exactly 3. Why I am saying that x is exactly 3? Because x includes Shell, Ruby and Java. So this is x. So I'll write x here. Okay, then what is exactly 3? Then exactly 3, this 20 is also exactly 3 plus 20. Okay, plus 20, 20, sorry, 20, not 24. Okay, anything else we have? Exactly 3 or exactly 3? No, there is nothing. We get overlap of 3, right? So x plus 20 is the correct answer. So we have x equals to 5, so that is equals to 20 plus 5, and that is equals to 25. 25 is the correct answer. Okay, now moving to the next question. Then what in the new class, if the number of students who like exactly 3 languages 24, exactly 3 languages 24, that means what, guys? Exactly 3 languages. अभी तो मेरे को पता है कि exactly 3 languages कितने था? 20 plus x था, ठीक है, 20 plus x था, and the 20 plus x. Why I am saying that exactly 3 language कौन से? ये 20 exactly 3 और ये 2x sorry, ये x sorry x. So 20 plus x and that is equals to 24. 24. So can I say that x is equals to 4? And once x is equals to 4, how many students like exactly one language? Exactly one language वाले को find करना है. So exactly one language देखना कौन से? This is 25 exactly one. 25 plus 35. So I'll write it here. Okay. I'll write it here. So this is 25 plus then 35 plus 25 plus 35 plus 20 minus 3x. 20 minus 3x. Okay, and then 25 minus 2x plus 25 minus 2x. Okay, 25 minus 2x. Okay, so add them all. So this is 25 plus 35. So that is equals to this is equals to 60 or 20, 80 or 105. 105. So this is 105 minus 5x. So this is 105 minus 5x, and that is a 105 minus x is equals to 4. So that is equals to 20. So the answer will be equals to how much? So that has to be 80. 80 is the correct answer. 80 is the correct answer. ठीक है? Just okay, so 80 is the correct answer. Okay, so for this question, yeah, 80 is the correct answer. Okay, so I think the set is very much clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment box if you have any doubt. और अगर आपको सेट पसंद आया या क्वेश्चन पसंद आया या फिर सेट इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, do like the session, guys. Do like the session, okay? And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, now guys, this is about the price hike. So the price of the Unacademy subscription is going to be increased by 10%. So those who are planning to take subscription, take it before 16th of September so that you can get the subscription on some lower prices, right? So yeah, so that is so yes, you can go with the subscription. Now this is iconic subscription. So if you want all the benefits of plus is included in this, and apart from this you will get a mentor, right? So you can discuss your all the doubts with the mentor. You can discuss your exam strategies with the mentors. You can talk to your mentors directly. That is called 1:1 live mentorship program. And these are the 3 different plans that you can opt for under the Iconic subscription. Okay, so those who are interested, they can go with the Iconic subscription. Okay, and this is the plus subscription, guys. So these are the different, again, these are the 3 different plans for the 6-month, 18-month, and 24 months. So according to your preference and the examination year, you can opt for these 3. You can opt for either of the, one out of these 3 plans. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. आज के लिए इतना ही करते हैं. Then, and I hope that you like the session, right? So thank you so much. And once again, if you are new to the session, do like. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel. Also like and subscribe कर दो, and subscribe share करो सबके साथ हो. जितने लोगों को भी जानते हो, they are preparing for the CAT or any aptitude exams, share कर दो उनके साथ, and also press the bell icon, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so see you guys in the next session. Okay, bye.